So how do you get a 100% free roof when you go solar? As you look at this house, obviously the roof needs to be replaced. But what if you don't have the money to do so? Well, we're going to show you how you could potentially use your electric bill to pay for the cost of the new roof for you. So if the house in the last picture wanted to go solar, they would have all these costs to the left that they would have to account for. All of those costs equal the total cash price of the job. Now, for a house that size, it could be $50,000 to $100,000 or more for the job price for someone to get the roof and solar if they paid cash. But if you had access to that type of money, you probably already would have replaced the roof a long time ago. So what happens to those who are unable or unwilling to pay the cash price? Well, the bank will pay the cash price for you in exchange for monthly payments over a period of time. Now, there's two ways to go solar with absolutely no money out of pocket. The first option is 100% financing, and there would be no money down, and you would make monthly payments to the finance company. The second option is doing a 100% lease, where the bank owns the solar system, and now you're just simply making monthly payments to the leasing company. However, with the lease, you could potentially buy out the lease after 5 years. So a lot of people refer to this as the rent-to-own program. Now on the left-hand side, you are making your monthly payments to the utility company, which represents the red line. And of course, the utility company will continue to raise your rates by 6 to 10% each year. On the right-hand side, it shows making the monthly payments to either your solar finance company or solar leasing company for the system. Notice how the black line is at a lower cost per month than buying electricity from the utility company, or the red line. The solar system payments include the cost of the roof, the cost of the main panel upgrade, and the cost of the batteries. As long as the black monthly payment is equal to or lower than the red monthly payment, you got a 100% free roof, including the batteries and the other options. Now, what happens if that black line is higher than the red line? Well, the differences in the monthly payments is still probably less than you would pay financing the roof separately. Now, with the lease, the cost of the roof never shows up on your credit, affects your debt to income, or even has to be paid off, even when you sell the house. The next homeowner won't even know that their monthly payment includes the cost of the roof or MPU, and it'll still be less than what they're paying to the utility company. Now, the utility company's rates go up by 2 to 3 times faster than the solar company rates, which is why long-term, the roof-solar combo is still less expensive than buying electricity from the utility company. Now, most solar companies have absolutely no clue how to structure the roof-solar combo to offer you that 100% free roof or the other advantages listed in this presentation. But by working with multiple companies, we can help you to find the best solution. Here's our company website as well as phone number, or simply get back to the solar consultant that sent you the video. Thanks for your time.